buckle up because the rumor mill is buzzing with exciting leaks about the DJI Avata 3, and we've got the scoop for you right here in the US. If you're as stoked about FPV drones as we are, you're gonna want to hear this. Let's dive into the latest leaks and what they mean for your next epic flight. According to Drone XL, the Avata 3 is shaping up to be a game changer for FPV pilots. Picture this: a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor, a big upgrade from the Avata 2's 1 by 1.3-inch sensor, promising crystal clear 4K video at 120 FPS for buttery smooth slow-motion shots. That's pro-level footage right from your drone, perfect for those cinematic YouTube vlogs or Instagram reels. Plus, MyLensLogic.com reports the Avata 3 could hit speeds up to 87 miles per hour. That's 27 miles faster than the Avata 2. Whether you're racing through forests or chasing cars, this drone's got the speed to keep up. But it's not just about speed and visuals. Drone XL's leaks, backed by trusted insider Jasper Ellens, hint at omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. That means 360-degree sensors to keep your drone safe in tight spaces. No more heart-stopping crashes in crowded urban shoots. And get this, a redesigned frame with 4-blade propellers and a relocated battery for better balance, making it more stable and powerful, according to a leaked video on Chinese social media. Now, let's talk accessories. Posts on X are buzzing about new DJI Goggles 4 with sharper displays and faster response times, giving you an even more immersive FPV experience. The Avata 3 might also come with upgraded controllers for pinpoint precision, perfect for both newbies and seasoned pilots. When can you get your hands on this beast? Drone XL and X posts from Jerumor suggest a possible summer 2025 release, maybe as early as September. But with the Avata 2 just dropping in April 2024, some Reddit users think 2026 is more likely. Either way, US pilots, keep an eye out. And maybe hold off on that Avata 2 purchase if you want the latest tech. One heads up, proposed US legislation could impact DJI drones, so stay tuned for updates to make sure you can fly without restrictions. For now, the Avata 3 sounds like a must-have for FPV fans looking to level up their game. What do you think about these leaks? Are you hyped for the Avata 3 or sticking with your current setup? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more drone news.